Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we are going to talk about The Richest Man in Babylon book. This book was first issued in 1926, however, it still holds lessons that are useful today. All the lessons can be divided into two categories: optimize spending and savings, and increase earnings. Number 1. Save at least 10% before spending anything. Psychologically, the less you have left, the less you spend, so it is essential to save up front. Number 2. Use budgeting and keep spending in check. Budgeting gives insights into spending and helps uncover unexpected or unknown costs. Number 3. Be financially prepared. Life is unpredictable, so it is very important to keep some money in a rainy day fund. Number 4. Own the property instead of renting it. While it depends on many factors, paying towards your own property is generally better than paying to someone else's. Number 5. Excel at the main source of income. This is one of the easiest lessons there is. Be better at what you already do to earn more. Number 6. Make savings work. Invest. Investing is essential for making money. It is much easier to get rich investing than not investing. Number 7. Before investing, think about security and risk. Always do due diligence before investing. Higher rewards are usually associated with higher risks. Did you find these lessons useful? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please, like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Jessie, power off.